Hello everyone. In this exercise of Autocad, we will understand how to use the options command in Autocad. Okay, there are the various ways to execute this option command. In left hand corner, there is application menu. You can go from here. This bottom right side you will find the option. This window comes here. Okay, another way of options command, in order to bring the option command, you can type option OPTION and click here. Now this comes here, window comes here. Third way of executing the option command, you can just shortcut OP enter. Just this, the best way is use the shortcuts. You use the, suppose OP enter. This window comes here. First we will understand the, suppose I want to change the display background color of this one. So you will find it under options. There are the various tabs: file, display, open, save, float, and there are various tabs of. First I will use only those which are useful. Now I go in this tab, display tab. In display tab, bottom side you go in the colors. Suppose I want to change the color of the background is white. Colors, in display, colors, here you can. Here, context, in context, this is a 2D model space and uniform background. Here color, you can select the color. You can select any color which you required. Okay. And if you don't find your required color here, you select color move. There are the three options here. Select color, index color, you can select direct from here, and true color, here you can select here. You can select and you can fade the color or fade or faint from moving this slider, this one. In this way you can decide your color. Okay, in true color, just click here and you can move the slider up and down as per your requirement. Okay, this way. And color books, you can directly select the color books here in this way, but I use this one, and I use the color R green, red, green. These numbers I will use for the black color. I will use, suppose I use white color here. Suppose I take white color, this one, and apply, close, and OK. Now this background becomes white. Now you see the viewport control. This comes in the black color and crosshair cursor, and where my cursor moving, you will see the plus indication is moving with the pick box. So these are in the black color. Again OP enter. This again comes here, and again go display, colors. Now you in interface element, crosshair, this one black, and now viewport. This viewport is left hand side corner, this one I have explained in my first bridge video. Viewport control, and this is also black. Apply, close, OK. This one, but OP enter, okay, and in this way you can change white color. Okay, suppose again I change in the black color. OP enter, display, color, and this one select color. I use this one, true color, and I give the numbers here 33, 40, 48, this one, and this comes in the black color, and hit this one, apply. Okay, but the viewport control and this one, and here display, colors, again crosshair, this I use white color, this one, and viewport control, apply, close, display, colors, crosshair, white color, viewport control, also white color, this one, apply, close, and OK. Now you see the crosshair comes in this way you can change the background color. Okay, Again, press O, P, enter. Again comes here. Suppose you want to change the theme of this thing, theme upper portion. How you can change? In display, you here you window elements, color theme, dark. At this time, this is the dark theme. You can change light. Okay. Now the upper portion becomes white. Again, O, P, enter. Now you get window element, color theme. Here you can do the dark theme. Okay, this way. Again, I explain you. OP, enter, enter color here. If you want to change the color, color 2D model space, uniform background. Suppose you want to change color here. Suppose this color. The preview comes here. This one. Apply, close. Okay. Now this comes here. In this way. Again, OP, enter. This display here bottom view side. Color select, and this one, and you select colors, select colors, true colors. You give the numbers here. I give the number here 33, 40, 48. This one, and preview comes here in this way, and okay. Now you see, in this way you can change the background color and theme color. Now if I move my cursor, you will see the plus symbol is moving, plus symbol, and there is in the central part there is a pick box. Okay, pick box. How to change the size of the crosshair cursor? Crosshair cursor is the plus sign you will see, and pick box is the box inside the crosshair. You will see when I cursor moving. There are the two sections. One is the plus section with the horizontal and vertical lines, and one is the rectangular in the that is known as a pick box. So how can we change the size of this one? Again, O, P, enter. This one. Now you go in the selection. Selection. You here you find the in the selection pick box. This one. Here you in the selection you find the pick box. Yeah, this one. You can increase the size of pick box. Use this one, and if you okay, now you will see pick box size increases. Again, O, P, enter, and pick box. You can reduce the size of this one as per your requirement. You can do it, and okay. Now it reduces. Pick box is the only box, rectangular box here. Okay. Now I change the crosshair size. OP, enter. On enter. Now you could go in the display. Here right hand side you find crosshair size, this one, and this suppose I increase this side, increase this one, and okay. Now it becomes large, too much large. Okay. Again, O, P, enter. This one. Now I reduce it. This I take it 12. Okay. Now this is okay. You can keep this size as per your requirement. Okay. Now one thing or more. OP, enter. One thing more. Selection and display and drafting, selection and drafting. This one. In drafting, if you use the drafting tab, auto snap marker size, you can increase the auto snap marker size. This one. This can increase this one, and also aperture size. This one. What is the snap marker size? I explain you. This one. Suppose I draw a line here. Click, enter out of the command. Suppose I want to draw a line from the end point here. So you will find this is catching the end point. Suppose, and escape out. Suppose this in the bottom status bar you will find this button, object snap, this one. If I turn off and draw a line here, you will see there is no snap point is visible here. So I cannot draw the line from the exactly from the this end point. Suppose I draw a line here, approximately this one, and enter. And if you zoom it, you will see I'm not in position to draw the line from the end point exactly. So what I will do, then I turn it off, turn it on. This one, object snap. This is object snap. This is object snap trapping. You will see, find this button. I turn in order to turn it, you can click here. When the button is turned on, it will becomes blue. Okay. Suppose I draw a line here. This one. Click, enter. We will understand in detail object snap and object snap trapping. Suppose now I want to draw a line from the exactly at the end point. You will see this this is catching. There are the different symbols for the different object snap. Midpoint is different. You will find triangle. So I want to draw a line from the exactly end point. This one and this one, and enter. Now you will see I have drawn I am in position to draw a line from exactly from the end point. This is the meaning of the object snap. And this one. This is the window selection. Suppose you want to select the window, this one. This is selected, delete it. And this is the crossing window. Crossing window, this one. Press left mouse button and start from the right to left, this one. In this way you can select. In this window you can select a partially object selected are selected. Okay, but if you select from the left to right, the object which are partially selected, not selected, only the object which is completely enclosed in the window, that is only selected. You will see. And now you click. Now this object is selected only. Okay, this is the window selection, and one is the LASSO selection. Suppose OP, enter. In the selection portion, there are you can set from here. Allow, press and drag on object. This is the window selection. This is the LASSO selection. If you click, suppose uncheck this selection. In this selection, press the left mouse button and rotate the mouse. This one, drag and rotate. This one. This is known as a window selection. Okay. And in the LASSO selection, right hand window selection, you press left mouse button and start from the right hand. Press left mouse button and this one. Press, hold and rotate it. Drag this one. Now this is selection in the right hand selection. Okay, this way you can select the LASSO. So in order to set the LASSO and window selection, what we will do, OP, enter, this one, and you can change from here. Allow, press and drag on object. In this way you can select the window selection, and this is the LASSO selection. Uncheck it, this one. Now you can select in this way. Press left mouse button and drag it. Now this object will be selected. Escape. And if you want to select the cross window, this one, press left mouse button and start from the right to left, this one. You will see the object which are completely enclosed and which are partially enclosed will be selected, this one. Okay, in this way you can select the object also. So you can change the OP, enter, and this one selection, you can change selection from here. Allow, press and drag an object. Allow, press and drag from LASSO selection. Whichever you feel convenient, you can select here. Okay, and this way. In this way you can select that. These are the useful commands which can use to change the display color and the theme color, and also selections, what type of selection you prefer. And this is the I move the cursor, you can change the crosshair size and pick box size, and also you can change from here. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.